I hope you're happy. Finally got another B16 trans for this thing. Alright, I got the outside all cleaned up and painted. I didn't super clean it. I'm sure it's like some dirt up underneath this paint somewhere, but I don't care. I'm not worried about it being perfect. It's not gonna stay looking like that, no way. The inside is still pretty filthy, but that's good enough for me. I'll throw it on just like this. So tomorrow I'll probably throw it into the car, probably pull the old one out and throw this one in and get it going. But it looks good. It looks good enough for me. I'm fine with that. Alright. I don't know exactly what's going on here. I don't know if the actual threads are ripped out with the bolts, or if it's just a thread lock, because I put Loctite on them, like you can see, like chunks right here. So I pulled out my trans on like Friday or something like that. It is now Tuesday. I haven't had time to throw it back in yet, but this is my flywheel and this is my pressure plate. I don't know why it's so hot spotty, messed up like that, but I ended up buying my brother's. Oh, ended up buying his competition clutch off of him and his flywheel as well. It's pretty much brand new, so it ain't got to be resurfaced or nothing like that. Went ahead and slapped it in, and now we're gonna go ahead and throw the trans on. Alright, put everything back together. Make sure that joint is neutral. Oh, I'm like, why don't I hear my clutch pedal feel weird? Clutch pedal feel weird. Can't put it in gear. What? Can't put it in gear. Is the thing moving? No. No. Is the thing moving?
Try rolling a little bit.
I literally can't put it in gear.
Just try moving the wheels, the car itself. So.
Watch out.
Still nothing?
Something up with the clutch. Don't feel right. It's in third right now. Watch out. So I don't know how well y'all can see that, but you can see it moving. Y'all, this car is literally driving me insane, dude. So, bought a transmission. My brother helped me put it in. Started the car and the clutch felt like garbage. So we pulled it apart. Put it back together again. The clutch still felt weird. I adjusted the clutch pedal. It feels better now, but after all of that, grab my key. All right, so after all of that, I don't know how well y'all can hear that, but it sounds like my flywheel is loose. So I pulled the transmission, put it back in twice already, and it's gonna have to happen again. Like, why? Why tell because my exhaust is so loud right now because I got a hole like right underneath the shifter. Basically one of the exhaust hangers that was welded on, it fell off, so I don't know, I'm trying to show y'all in a way that you can hear it. I'm not even sure if that's what it is, honestly. It's something going on, and I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna just let it roll back a little bit, and I'm gonna pull it back in. I don't know. I didn't feel nothing or hear nothing that time. So last time when my flywheel bolts backed out, it was very obvious. I could tell right away that that's exactly what it was. I don't know what it is right now. Honestly, I have no idea. See, like, that doesn't feel like anything. It feels normal. It feels perfectly fine. So I don't know what it is. Let me throw my camera on real quick. Alright, so I honestly have no idea what it is. What I do know is I shouldn't be driving it. So I'm gonna stop driving it. I'm gonna go put it back in my driveway. And what's this called? I think I need to replace this clutch master cylinder. Yep, time to pull the transmission off this car for the 3rd time in the last 30 days. Alright, so the problem ended up being the flywheel bolts. Pretty much all of them was loose except for this one up here. Took all of them off. Last time I put blue Loctite, this time I put red Loctite again. Yeah, I thought the blue Loctite would hold, but obviously not. So put red Loctite on them. This is the one that was the main cause, you can tell. It's all chewed up, it look nasty, but it still works fine. Still held torque perfectly fine, so it's all good. I torqued it with this one first, and then I used, where's that? Oh, then I used the big boy on the 2nd setting. So dang. So yeah, we should be good. If it come off after that, but I don't know. I'm selling a car with it like that. I don't care. But it should be good to go now. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the clutch on there, and yeah. And as far as the clutch goes, the only damage is that right there. You can see it scraped up against this part on the pressure plate, or on the clutch. So it should be perfectly fine. That's no big deal. Yeah, B16 trans is this 5th gear is not the move, y'all. I mean, almost 3,500 at 65. It's kind of ridiculous. So far the trans feels fine. I think it's still something up with like this clutch pedal, like the clutch master cylinder. I gotta keep adjusting it so I get it perfect. But the car's drivable right now. I haven't cracked VTEC. I'm scared of the freaking flywheel bolts falling off on me again, honestly. It's always something, y'all. It's always something. So unfortunate. This axle will not go all the way in. I don't know if y'all can tell from this angle, but it ain't all the way in. Just took the car apart, replaced that axle with another one, and still the same issue. So it could be a bad diff in the trans. I don't know if I did it or if it was like that when I got it. I could have sworn last time I put the transmission in, that axle went all the way in. So I don't know if it's possible that I did it. I don't really know how. But yeah, that's where we at right now, unfortunately. Yeah, so it's pretty much like not the same situation, but we still have a bad trans. Unfortunate, yo. Yep. So the car is still drivable. Honestly don't feel too bad, but I don't know. Oh. I don't know what happened. Probably TPS, like always, or map sensor or something goofy. Some behind the scenes action real quick.
That shit is slow-mo. God damn. And you can play with the speed.
That shit barely moving.
In post, you can play with the speed. So it's a nice slow-mo, and then in post, you can speed it up by like a little bit to where it's still slow-mo, but it's not like, it's pretty tight. But I'm trying to find this fucking...
Wow,
Look,
this shit looks awesome. Wow.
Let's mimic this nigga right here. Let's figure out how he does this.
You look funny.
Besides that, so I want to learn that. Let's learn this shit right now. Let's all learn them motherfuckers.
Music playing. Need that music to go to the zone.
Yeah, you see it. You fucking see it. This is hard because we just start going. I kind of like how it kind of like lost its focus and then it caught back up. Yeah, with some sound, with some dramatic. I'll probably steal some turbo audio.
Wow, this nigga's sick over here.
Alright, Key.
This nigga's sick over here. Bro, you are not moving, bro.
Damn.
Wow.